Sun Mountain is my hometown. You can see the wallpaper from the different time is changing. You can see the cloud is running and the different, in the evening you can see that getting the sunset in the wallpaper. It's all dynamic. So it's morning and evening, so the whole day is changing. You know, this is a full view display screen. How can we fully using the UI using this screen? And we all have optimization on that. The Huawei, the Mate 10, and we get rid of that 3 virtual key. We can you can set up that in navigation to using one single button, the camera, the fingerprint to replace 3 virtual key. They can fully use the screen. So more space so for you to use. And also this phone is a Mate 10 Pro. It's, you know, it's 18:9, the long display. So by this, you can use the multi-column. When you read the email, here is the column, here is the content. It's more convenient. We support more of this, the multi-column. And also, you know, multi-window. Like when you're watching a video, you receive a message, and on the message, that area, you push that button, then you can automatically split the screen. During your watching the video, you can reply your message. You can do other things simultaneously. I want to play, may I play you again? You can see that. On top, push that button, can see that one? Then it automatically split the screen. So very convenient for you. You can do 2 tasks simultaneously. And also we support the OZ, Android OZ, that's a shortcut. You long press the apps, you can quickly shortcut to the functionality, saving your time, so more convenient. And also, you know, this is a phone book. We have the WeChat, the contact, the WhatsApp contact inside. But today from Mate 10, we're introducing the LinkedIn built-in in your contact, in your phone book, address book. So more convenient for you. You know, today more and more people, they are using the smartphone not only for life, but also for work. Your email, your home, your work, office, your work, your enterprise applications, you need more security, more safety. So we need to support the MDM, the mobile device management. And we're proud of that this phone, we are on the first wave to support the Google zero-touch provision. Zero-touch provision. So that's for enterprise, to enhance the enterprise security and efficiency. And also we support the enterprise mobile management vendors partner, like the Mobile Iron, Salty, some other partners. I think that you can use this for enterprise, for your work. And some people have 2 SIM cards, one private, one for work, one for life. Now you have 2 SIM cards, and you only need one phone. Because your phone's battery life is long enough for you to using 2 SIM cards inside simultaneously. And you know, many people, they are listening music. You want your high quality music. So we're proud of this one. We support a lossless audio experience, 384K, 32-bit. It's a really, really high quality. You know, when some people, our employee, they're using this phone, many guys told me, wow, unbelievable, this music quality is very good. So they don't know that what's happened with this. This happened with this is really, really lossless audio. You know, many of my friends, they are the hobby of listening to the really good quality music. I think it's good news for them. And also another thing is, sometimes you make a phone call in a noisy area, you have to speak loudly. But that's not good. So in this phone, with AI engine inside, you can even whisper in noisy area. How can you do that? We have the engine, the intelligent background noise reduction, and also the phone knows you, and he can identify it's you are speaking, not the other noise who other people is speaking. Even you are speaking very whispering, not loudly in noisy area, but they can enhance your voice because the phones know you. You are the owner of this phone. The phone is learning from your voice. They understand you. So it's another, we call it the easy talk. Another AI engine, we can bring the value to you. But actually, the AI can do a lot of things with this capability. Another thing, PC mode. The other one, they need a dock to connect to the display. But our solution, without a dock, you're just using the Type-C, connecting your TV, your display, any display. Very convenient, plug and play. But more importantly, we can support more features. Let my colleague show you how. Peter, can you show us how it works?
Thank you, Richard. So this time, I'd like to show you how we can extend your already large screen experience onto an even bigger display. So as you see here, we're in phone mode right now. So all I need to do is just switch over to PC mode, and you'll see that that loads really quickly. Now, as this is a full PC setup, I could, if I wanted to, use a Bluetooth mouse or keyboard, or even plug in USB mouse and keyboard. However, today I'm going to show you a totally mobile experience, because you can use your Huawei device as a virtual touchpad and keyboard. Now, this is a very powerful experience. I have a customized desktop view in which I can open all of my applications. I can multitask seamlessly. I even have a file system that I can open up instantly. Now, I can use both screens independently as well. So I've got a little bit of work to do, because you can imagine I've been a bit busy over the last couple of days, and I need to finish off making this slide for a presentation tomorrow. So I just open up my slide, and I need to add the tagline here. The tagline itself is sitting on a text message on my phone. So I simply go to my messages, open up the message, copy the content, go into the tagline, paste in the content, and we're done. I can save that and move on. Now, this is such a professional setup that I can actually drive a full-on powerful presentation from this system. I'll show you an example. This is one that Richard may remember. So I can, using my touchpad, just simply browse through the presentation and show that. Now, in doing so, I'm safe in the knowledge that I won't be disrupted or embarrassed by incoming calls or voice texts, because they stay on the phone. And when I'm done with my working day, I can sit back in my hotel room and relax and enjoy myself by watching one of my favorite movies. Of course, sharing it onto the big screen in my room. Now, being able to use both screens independently, I can always immerse myself in that film, or stay connected with family, friends, or of course, the office. So if you want to enhance your entertainment, maximize your productivity, all you need is a Huawei Mate 10 series smartphone and a single, simple cable. Thank you. Richard, over to you.
Thank you, Peter. We have a video, a mobile iOS video to show you. Thank you. Please.
This is a smartphone. It is also an all-in-one mobile office. It connects to a large screen instantly, so you can start your page right away, all without worrying about incoming calls or messages appearing on the presentation screen. With just a display, a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, you can set up your mobile office instantly. Wireless printing, easy. You can sync your contacts through LinkedIn. Not a convenient time to talk? Don't worry, whispering is clear enough. Or use the QR-coded business card to expand your connections. Time to have your own mobile office, anywhere and anytime.
We want to bring you more convenience. That's with this office usage, mobile office for your work. But also, sometimes the people is traveling for the businessmen. That you go to another country, you don't know that language. You need a translation. But with the AI engine, we can make the translation even faster. And we can, this time we cooperate with Microsoft. The Microsoft translation, using the AI engine, we can achieve 300% faster speed, the AI